welcome to my channel. Today is a Friday, we have nothing to do, and so we're just gonna doll up for fun and wear some Hmong clothes. So, my first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using a primer. This is from Wet n Wild, and as you can tell, I've been using this a lot because it's running out, and I don't know if I still have it anymore. Oh, there it is. So today for foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Fit Me Maybelline. This is in the color Sandy Beige, okay? It is a dewy, smooth look, okay? I'm going to mix it with the Infallible Pro Matte from L'Oreal Paris. This is in the shade 106. It's a little darker. This is a little lighter, so I'm just going to mix them together. A beauty blender. Okay, next after our foundation, we will be using this eyebrow pencil. It is from, it's just a Rimmel London brand, and it is in the shade Hazel, or 002, okay? Number 2, it's in Hazel, okay? I'm just going to draw my eyebrows. Just going to Okay, so now for concealing my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Again concealer, and this is in the number 20, or Sand Sable, okay? And I will just be using one of my brushes, like this one. These brushes, they're not name brand or anything, I just use whatever I have. But this is what I typically use for my, to conceal my eyebrow. Okay, so I know my eyebrows still looks pretty harsh, but I'm going to start with my highlighter and then I'll fix a little bit on my eyebrows, okay? So I will be using, I'm going to be mixing 2 shades again. I'm going to be using Stay Naked Correction Concealer, which is in the number 20 WY, okay? 20 WY, and I will also be using the same concealer that I use for my eyebrow, the Maybelline New York, in the shade 20, or Sandy Sable. Sand Sable, I mean. I'm going to be using this first. I know it's a little light, that's why I mix the color. You know, sometimes when you end up buying a little lighter, like, concealer, but you still have some other concealer that's a little darker, that's not too light, too. You can just mix them and create a okay shade out of it. Okay, now you blend away. baking powder. It's brand called Airspun, okay? Cody Airspun. And I am using the shade Naturally Neutral. I know it's a little bit light on me, but I have to work with what I have. And we're gonna bake our highlight. So before we put anything or any powder on our nose, I like to contour my nose with this e.l.f. palette. And it's in the shade, it doesn't say the shade, okay? So I'm just using the shade right here. And I'm just going to draw a straight line down on both sides, on the both sides of my nose. So create a little illusion on my nose. So now that we wait for my face to bake, we're going to start doing our eyeshadows, okay? I'm using the palette Gold Rush, okay? And I'm just thinking about doing a warm look, not too dramatic, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this color. We're going to choose camel, okay? Camel. And we're just going to put that on the upper of the eyelid, like towards almost like your brow bone, or in the crease, you can call. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna use a different color. Like I said, we're not trying to go so dramatic, okay? So then with a different color, we're just gonna use a boost. We're gonna use this color right here, okay? This color and probably mix with this color. And then we're just gonna put this at the inner corner of our eye and go towards our crease also. But then don't put it up so high. Don't go so high up. Just put it around the corner of the eye and go around the crease. Just like that. This is going to be a very simple look, or a very warm look. Okay, and we're going to go back with the old color to fix the upper part of eyeshadow, okay? We're going to fix this so that it doesn't look like it's patchy. Or we're going to try our best to make it not look like it's patchy. Okay? Okay. And then we're just going to use a pitch black color on this inner corner, okay? Eyeshadow, I mean. Yeah, well, black color eyeshadow, okay? Don't need to be so dramatic. Just like that. my fingers. Okay. Simple, 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 simple. Go back with these colors. Natural. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this pair of eyelash. Okay, but first I'm going to be using, first and foremost, I'm going to be using Yasmin's liquid eyeliner, okay? This is from Yasmin, okay? Or I bought it from Yasmin's store at Hmong Village. You could get it at Hmong Village, okay? I'm just going to draw my eyeliner. You can draw thick, and draw not so thick, up to you. Okay. And this Yasmin eye liquid eyeliner is already, it already has glue in there, so it helps. Already, I don't have to do so much to it. I don't have to put glue on my eyelashes to put on my eyelashes. I could just put on the eyeliner and then put on the eyelashes. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on. I typically like to put my eyelashes in a higher angle up so that like I have more like a cat eye look. Okay. Now I am taking this Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. This is in black, okay? I'm going to use this to cover my waterline up there. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I'm just going to put them at the bottom, or on my bottom lashes. I don't have very long lashes, and so I just kind of like smudge it everywhere. So now we're going to remove the powder. Now we are moving on. We are moving on to contouring, okay guys? We are using the color C7 Nut Brown from L'Oreal Paris True Match, okay? And I'm just going to use this brush. And I'm just going to contour my cheekbones. Contour around my big forehead and my cheek area. And my jawline. And my nose.
Now I'm going to be using the 10 color palette professional blush. This is from BH Cosmetic.
And I'm just going to be using, I'm going to use this color and this color, okay? I know, I like to mix my color lots. Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette. And I'm going to be using the color Eclipse, okay? As you can tell, I use that one a lot. And I'm going to do it on my cheek. I don't really like a lot of highlighter. And I always like to put little one on my nose. Little dot on my nose. And I like putting like highlighting like some on the inner corner of my eye. So that makes my eyelid pop out. Okay, now we're gonna end with my lipstick. And this lipstick doesn't have a color or a name, but it's just my lipsticks that I use. While it is settling in, I'm just going to take a darker brown eyeshadow color pick and go in. With the color. I will be using this makeup setting rose water, okay? Set my face. Okay, so I just changed the color a little bit to a little bit darker, okay? So this is the final look. Okay, thank you, and now I will be dressing up and fixing my hair.